Hello everyone, welcome to Electrical Engineering Interview Questions channel. In this video we will see what are the routine tests conducted on isolators. If you have not subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to never miss an update of our new video. Let us have a brief introduction of isolators. Isolators are electrically or mechanically operated mechanical switches which are used to separate a part of electrical circuit. Isolators are opened or closed only under no-load conditions, that is, when current flowing through them is zero. If we try to open the isolators when current is flowing through them, large amount of flashover will take place, which may be harmful to the operating personnel. Isolators are generally used on both the sides of circuit breakers. Circuit breakers have arc quenching medium, but isolators do not have any arc quenching medium. So, isolator contacts are always opened after opening of circuit breaker contacts, and isolator contacts are always closed before closing of circuit breaker contacts. As a part of routine testing, these are two types of tests that are conducted on isolators. First is contact resistance measurement test, and second is insulation resistance test. The purpose of doing CRM test is to measure the resistance of electrical contacts. Identify eroded or rusted contacts. Identify loose connections between fixed and moving contacts. And verify proper connection of bolted joints. This is one type of kit that is used for CRM testing. The CRM kit has two current terminals, C+ and C- for injecting current. Two voltage terminals to measure the voltage across isolator contacts. And a earthing terminal to prevent the equipment and operating personnel from the effect of electric shock. Before connecting any current or voltage probes of the kit to the isolator, we must first connect the earth terminal of the kit to the isolator earthing, and then connect the current and voltage probes. As shown here, current and voltage probes are now connected to the isolator contacts. CRM is measured on the basis of Ohm's law, that is, R equal to V upon I. A current of 100 or 200 amperes is injected and voltage drop across the contacts is measured. So we get contact resistance equal to V upon I. Generally, isolator CRM values should be less than 100 microohms. Insulation resistance test. IR test is done on isolators in order to measure and verify the quality of support insulation between the conducting part of isolator and the earthing of isolator. Performing IR test at regular intervals can detect the insulation failures before they occur and prevent electrical accidents. IR test data is useful in evaluating the presence of absorbed moisture, contamination of insulation, or severe cracking in the insulators. This is a IR test kit of Megarmec. The positive red terminal of the test kit is connected to the conducting part of isolator, and the black terminal is connected to the isolator earthing terminal. A test voltage of 5 kV is applied using the IR test kit for a duration of 1 minute. Values above 1 GΩ are generally considered as good values. Here we have taken IR of isolator in closed position. We can also take IR in open position by taking IR of individual insulator stacks. So these are the two tests that are conducted on isolators. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, do give us a thumbs up. And do not forget to subscribe our channel for watching such videos. If you have any doubts, do ask us in the comment section.